Hi guys, in this video we want to solve for x in 5 raised to power x equals 80. Let's see solution. We have 5 raised to power x equals 80. So from here we introduce log to both sides so that we'll have log 5 raised to power x equals log 80. So from here, let's recall that if you have log a raised to power b, this is equals b will come forward, we have b log a. Applying this to the above, we will have x log 5 equals, then we have log 80. So from here, if we divide both sides by log 5 and here by log 5, we have this cancel this. So we'll have x equals log 80 divided by log 5. So let's do something interesting here. So we know the factor of 80, we can have 5 times 16, right? So let's replace 80 with 5 times 16. So we'll have x equals log 5 times 16. So divided by log 5, right? So here also we know that from the law of logarithm, if you have log m times n, this is equals log m plus log n. All right, so here now we apply this to the numerator. So we'll have our x to be equals log 5 plus log 16 divided by log 5. So we divide each of log 5 and log 16 by log 5. We'll have x equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 16 divided by log 5. Log 5 divided by log 5 will give us 1. So we have 1 plus, then we have log 16 divided by log 5. Alright, so again we have to break this down. So we know that we can express 16 as the product of 8 and 2, right? So let's replace 16 by 8 times 2. So we'll have x equals 1 plus log 8 times 2 divided by log 5. So again we apply the multiplication of logarithm. So we'll have x equals 1 plus log 8 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we are going to distribute each of log 8 and log 2 by, we are going to divide each of log 8 plus log 2 by log 5. So we have x equals 1 plus log 8 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So here we know that 8 could be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3, right? So now we'll have x equals 1 plus log, you have it here, let's express this as 2 raised to the power 3 divided by log 5 plus, then we have log 2 divided by log 5 here. So from the law of logarithm, you know that I said earlier, so this 3 will come forward, so we'll have x equals 1 plus 3 divided 3 log 2 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, we will have x equals, or let's say, we should recall that if you have log m divided by log n, this is equals log m in base n, right? So applying this to both this and this, we will have x to be equals 1 plus, then we have 3 log 2 in base 5, log 2 in base 5 plus, here we have log 2 in base 5, log 2 in base 5. All right, so now we will have x equals 1 plus, if we look at here and here, we have a common factor, which is log 2 in base 5. So we have log 2 in base 5. So what is left here? We have 3 plus, what is left here? We have 1. All right, we have x equals 1 plus log 2 in base 5. All right, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So if you multiply this together, we will have our x to be equals 1 plus 4 log 2 in base 5. So this is our final answer. So we can actually verify this. Let's check. We have 5 raised to the power x equals 80. So we have 5 raised to the power 1 plus 4 log 2 in base 5. Is this equals to 80? So from the law of indices, so we distribute each of these by this, so that if you have m raised to the power p plus q, this is equals m raised to the power p times m raised to the power q. So we'll have this becomes 5 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power 4 log 2 in base 5. Is this equals to 80? So then we must note that if you have m raised to the power log n in base m, this is equals to n, because this we cancel this, so which implies that we will have this 5, sorry, before this time, so this 4 will come up here, so we have 4 here. So by this law, this will cancel this, so we have 5 raised to the power 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16. Is this equals to 80? So 5 times 16 will give us 80 equals 80. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video.